No way. No way. No way. Bro.
Hold on, dude.
Dude, get the camera.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. Today we're actually doing a Dollar Tree fishing challenge. This is a brand new challenge that Jordan and I are starting. So today we're going into the Dollar Tree and we're finding ways to fish. Fishing pole. Is Connor with us?
I've seen fishing poles here before. Have you?
It's been a while, dude.
Oh no.
Let's see.
Look at, we could use this as a bait. Look at it, flies up to 30 feet.
Flies. Oh, dude.
No!
There it is, dude. You down for a challenge?
I'm down, dude. All right. I'm getting yellow. I'm doing this for sure. Does it extend?
I think it's because there's another islet, dude. I think it comes out, and if we put like real line, or maybe we can even try with that, dude.
No, we should try catching a fish with this line and then switching it to braid or something. You down?
Let's do it, dude. Should we get bait here too? Mackerel, dude. Oh, I got this first. This is for me though.
Alright guys, we've made it to Powell Ranch. It's a little park near our house. Luis already got his unboxed. What's your plan, man? What's your plan?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie a leader onto the tip of this. Right, a leader, because it's not long enough. So I'm gonna do a leader, drop it in, and then tie this tiny, what is the size? What size is this, dude? It's like size -3,000. Thing is tiny, dude.
You're not gonna go with this hook?
No, dude.
Alright, I think what we're gonna try is to catch a small fish first, right?
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna progressively get bigger and bigger.
This is what we're working with today. This is the Dollar Tree Mono 3000.
Also, what's up with that feather, bro? That feather's aftermarket, huh?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, dude, this feather I caught back in 1946.
Along with Zika virus? You caught both? Is that why your head's so big?
This is true, dude. This is true. Let's get this rigged up. Let's get it.
I got mine in here. We're about to unbox it. Should we use this too? Comment video ideas below. Bro, it doesn't extend.
Why didn't mine?
No, like... Dude, we need some glue or something. That... Oh my gosh. I don't know about all this, man.
Oh, dude.
I wish I would have caught that.
God.
He was just about to tape this so it doesn't come out, and he just dropped it. Bro, you better move your reel, man. Yeah. Wow, dude. All right, let's just catch something. I'm gonna use one of these little hooks right here from these flies I tied when I was real little, because these little bluegill are tiny, and that's what I want to catch first. I don't even know if my line's gonna go. Dude, my line's too big.
To go through the hoop loop?
Yeah. It works. That's the only problem. You have to reel it backwards in order for it to go out, but it works. Usually we can see a bunch of bluegill in here. Oh, there's one coming up to it already. Bro, the fish are coming up to it, but they're not taking it. Oh my God. How long have these been in your tackle box, bro? They're slimy, dude. Look at this.
I want to say maybe a week.
I can see them. Come on. Ah! I got it, bro.
Oh my God.
Bro, first try. Oh, second try. Look at that.
What, dude?
Now we have bait for the bigger fish. Let's catch one more, a bigger one though. Here you go, Luis. Straight choked it. Look at it right there, dude. Look at how simple. Got you.
Are you serious?
They're eating it. There you go. Oh, dude, I've caught 3. Did he take your bait?
Yeah. I'm gonna switch the whole line now. You wanna do it?
To what? 20, 25 pound test? I think I'm gonna take this out because every time we reel in, guys, this right here gets stopped right here and we can't reel in anymore. I wanna be able to reel in the fish all the way. You gotta feed it through the top and then feed it through there and then tie it and tie it on a corner.
Inside.
Yeah. You don't think that line's gonna be too big though? And it's gonna cause it to
snag, huh?
Like, cause the memory on it's.
What to do from here?
Go in a circle. I've never seen anybody bring these fishing.
Dude, I lost my needle nose, dude. Alright, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Is it working? it's really working, dude. Is it filling up the spool?
Dude, yeah.
No way. Don't come closer. You gotta hold. Yeah, you gotta keep it tight, or else it's gonna bird's nest on you. Are you gonna try to catch something big? Guys, there's huge tilapia in here, man, and bass, and they all eat hot dogs. I think braid would have worked better, for sure.
I couldn't find it. I don't know where I left it.
What do you think the gear ratio is on this? I think it's like a 18 to 1. Right?
I can see it.
Yeah. All right, let's get the line. Bro, are you kidding me? Is it working? No. No.
Bro, this is incredible.
Incredible? That's the name of it, the Incredible Challenge.
Incredible.
That entire thing is just gonna fall apart when you get a fish. I really think it's just gonna bust.
3/4 ounce weight, 1 outsize hook, 1 incredible. This is ridiculous, bro.
All right, are you gonna get in?
Yeah. There is a tilapia right there, just so hard.
I would hold the pole a little, oh no, you're still on. Oh yeah, he took a huge chunk, dude. I could see it down there. Look at him. Finally in the game. Got it all spooled up. Let's do this. No way. No way.
It just came off, bro.
No.
Where I had it, dude. Did you see my
No. What happened to your pole, man? Look at all the line. What was it? Was it big?
Tilapia, yeah.
It was big?
Yeah.
I'm gonna laugh, dude, when you cut your hand. How far down is it?
It's not that far down. Did you see my pole though?
Yeah.
I was holding it, dude. Dang, dude, we almost had that one. Got him.
You got something. Oh, there he is. That's what was on the other one, man.
Yeah, dude.
Imagine if you would have caught that on that one. That right there, guys, is the tilapia we're talking about. Oh, he got him on the lip. Gotta get a thumbnail, man. There you go. That's how you get your thumbnails. If we don't catch it on this, it's gonna be the most clickbait thing I've ever seen in my life, bro.
Dude, I want to weigh this thing.
No way.
Dude, wow.
No way.
Did you see it going up?
No, I just seen your face. No way. You better be careful with that pole, man.
Look at my reel's not even on this thing anymore, dude.
You gotta catch one, man, with the dollar store gear. Oh, I see him.
Where?
He's right there, Zay. There's 2 of them. Oh, I got a bite. I don't know if it's a little bluegill, though. Come on. Oh, got another one. I think they're bluegill, though, man. There you go, man.
Got a new rod. It's funny.
Oh, is that the one with the reel on it?
Yeah, that's
That one's mine, bro.
Is it really?
The one with the reel on it? Bro, it's like strung up like they were getting ready to leave and it just fell in the water. Bro. Dude, get the camera. Hurry up. Look what I got. Ah, my finger. It's wrapped around my finger. It's a bass. If I reel it in? Ah, look at my finger. It's wrapped around my finger. Oh. Okay. I can't. Look it! We did it, bro!
Let me see the rod.
Look at that! I'm shaky. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Oh! We did it! The challenge was met, man. They gotta hit a thumbs up button and keep commenting ideas, right?
Yes, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, how long were we out here for, dude? We were out here for almost 3 hours, dude.
Just to catch those
Just
two.
to catch those 2 fish.
What's this?
Well, no, I just catch the one fish on that, and then you caught the tilapia.
Oh, the tilapia. Oh my god.
I can't believe you caught a bass on a hot dog, though. Or I caught a bass on a hot dog.
Yeah, dude. And on the micro rod. Dude, let me see this thing. Let me see this thing. This is the guy right here. Full on bass. That was like what? 40 pounds?
Minus 36. Minus another 2.
That was incredible, dude.
Well, I just want to say congratulations.
Be sure to subscribe. We will see you guys next week. We're posting once a week, every Wednesday. So again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you later.